All right, we're on the final wrap of the Zetor. Am I pronouncing that right? Zetor. Zetor. Got Mr. Steve over here and Mr. Pepper over here, and this is Pepper's headliner, and we fixed the cracks and getting ready to go back on the tractor. So this is the final wrap on our shorty, and pop ribbon it in with 3/16 instead of 1/8. And all we got to do now is put in the center buttons, and we're done. So we're going to call this a wrap for Bear's Rod Shop, and we're going to be out of here. So anybody that needs any comments on how we repaired this thing, turned out really, I'm not going to say spectacular, but it turned out a heck of a lot better than it did, didn't it, Pepper?
It's excellent.
Thank you, sir. I get a thumbs up on that one. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Steve.
2 thumbs up.
All right, they can't fire me because I did it for nothing. Oh, no, I did not. I had a big barbecue dinner and some free brewskis. So, yeah. So, ER room, it's out of here. We were done with this one. Just going back on the tractor tomorrow. See ya.